Okay, guys, sorry for the strange intro, but looking through some old toys, happened to find this. This is a Nerf gun. It shoots plastic darts. And these darts are so much bigger than... Well, it's not crazy much bigger, but definitely bigger and heavier. So yes, this is a little bit bigger than the Nerf dart, but it's much, I'd say heavier just because it's plastic. But since it is McDonald's, we're trying it up to see how strong it is, more or less how accurate it is against other McDonald's toys. This is a 2011, I believe. Focus. Yeah, there you go. It says DC Superheroes. Oh, come on. Come on, right here. McDonald's 2000 and... Give me a second, let me look at this. Yeah, it says 2011. It is really small text. Then, this is another one. Let's see. It's right there. It's right there, and it says this one was in 2010. If you don't know what this guy done, he had a shield that fitted on this little groove. And you twist him, and he'd throw the shield. Then this is the Power Rangers. This one came out in... Where does it say? Oh, right down the back it was like... This one came out in 2011 as well. Back then, the toys was like boy, girl. And the biggest one, I think probably my favorite, since the lights still work. Is it even on? Imagine. Just imagine. Nope, it don't work. But this one, cool thing about this one is, it was like one of the good action figures that McDonald's made. Because it had the sword, it had the cannon, but it just shot out a red light. And this one was made right here on his foot says, for McDonald's, it was made in 2010. Scan the foot. 2010. Anyways, for one, we're going to see how accurate. I think this Nerf gun here is probably my favorite toy McDonald's made. And compared to some of the other ones, it's much bigger. Especially compared to the little guy right there. And we got some more targets. We're going to test it again soon. Anyways, for comparison to see how big this thing is, this would be something good to take to school if you just want to have some fun. It's the size of a playing card. Yes, this is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle playing card. It was sitting over here on my back cave. I grabbed it to use it for reference. There you go. The main cannon is the size of a playing card. He is a little bit taller than a playing card. Captain America is the exact height of a playing card. I just knocked my gun off. And this guy's short. And I did not like those Power Ranger dudes. That's probably the most boring toys to play with. I do got a question for people down in the comments though. If you got any of these toys here, or one in the series, or you was around in 2009 when this thing came out, leave it in the comments. I believe there was many other guns, but I think this one was my favorite one. I think they had a tiny pistol. I'm going to do some research on that, and I'll record another video when I do that. So first off, this dude. So the sides are just these two little lines that stick up, and you just target your enemy, and you press. Let me bounce a little more. The firing button, and target down. Again, for McDonald's, I know this is like not technically a real Nerf gun, but I'm classifying it a real Nerf gun. So then for Captain America, he's down too. Very easy. So the one will be the easiest to take down the Power Rangers. Just because those things is like cheap plastic. I think I broke one of their arms off by accident once. And look at this. He don't balance at all. Ready? See? I'm just going to shoot him right in the butt. Oh, one above him. Might want to actually aim. I'm just guessing. That's what she said, but okay. Actually aiming this time. Right in the butt. Again, for a McDonald's toy. Ooh! He took a shot. That surprised me. But he is the heaviest. I'm gonna have to get a good shot on his head to take him down. Dang. Bring him closer. Did I, like, skim his head? I believe I did. Aim down a little bit. There he goes. Okay. Also, if the recording quality is better, that's because this is a new phone. I think I said that in my last video. My last couple of videos, but we got a bigger Captain America. We got one of these toy soldiers. The G.I. Joe guys, as we call them. We got this Batman, which I never liked these things. It's like, this part of his arm was ripped, but this didn't look, like, especially here, it looks like a pencil. Until you go from the side. It looks decent. But from the front end, I mean, my gosh, you look like a pencil. And we got a tiny little soldier. There, I know a lot of people most likely got these from, like, the dollar store. So there is a reference. I know most people probably had those toys. Oh, we don't need you anymore. And we just got this little Superman statue. Starting off with the little guys. And that happened really fast. Okay, well, he was taken out. Get our dart. I don't know if I'd call this a dart or what. I'm going to look online later and look at McDonald's Nerf guns, and I'm going to record it. But Superman, I punched him. I didn't give him enough room, so pretty much I just punched him. G.I. Joe. Stay. I never liked this Superman action figure. Just because I believe this is actually another McDonald's. Can't tell. Hold on. Oh no, this is for a cake. He has a cake ornament. Pick up on the face. Pick up on the face. The face. The face. The face. Come on, camera. Pick up on the horrific face. Come on. This is so difficult. Oh, come on. You don't want to pick it up. Oh, there you go. There's the horrifying face. Yeah, whoever done his lips especially, they was not having a fun time. Got it from a bakery, so I'm happy shooting this guy. Can I go out to say that Superman is my least favorite superhero just because how powerful they made him? I'm more a fan of Batman. Except, this is a disgrace to Batman. That's the only reason he's getting shot. Again, just a review. I'm tired of showing you the reload. No, I'm just going to take you out. I'm just tired of showing you the Give me a second. Let me send this guy back up. Okay, he's back. Took me a few seconds. Okay. We're going Batman. Okay, Batman's dead now. Oops. Punched him in the leg. There he goes. Batman was pretty easy to take out. I think he's probably been the hardest just because, seen how slow he fell. This guy will probably be pretty easy just because he is, like, really lightweight. Yeah. Okay. I think that's going to be it for the video. I don't know what to actually call this gun because it don't actually have a name. It's just Nerf and Strike. Come up with a name. Leave it in the comments. The best one. That's what this guy will get named after. He also kind of looks like a tank. See, like, the treads there. It's weird. Okay. The best name will be pinned in the comments at the top. I'll catch you on the next one. And goodbye.